1 Peter 1:7. That the trial of your faith, being much more precious than of gold that perisheth, though it be tried with fire, might be found unto praise and honor and glory at the appearing of Jesus Christ. Your faith may feel like it's being pushed to the limit, but God sees it as precious, more valuable than gold refined by fire. And every trial you endure is shaping you, strengthening you, and preparing your faith to shine with glory at the return of Christ. The storms you're facing today are not destroying you. It's refining you into someone stronger, steadier, and more like Jesus. God never wastes trials and tribulations you go through. He uses every moment to produce a faith that will one day bring him praise, honor, and glory. If you're going through the fire right now, remember, refined faith always comes out brighter, more pure, and more unshakable than ever. God will see you through this storm. Keep having faith in him.